Hey everyone, Google TV and Vidaa. Which is better in 2025? So let's break it down. First, user interface. Google TV offers a sleek, content first design that recommends shows from multiple apps all in one place. Vidaa, on the other hand, keeps things simpler, focusing on basic streaming with less clutter. If you love discovery, Google TV wins here. Next, app support. Google TV gives you access to thousands of apps, including Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and even niche apps like Apple TV and Plex. Vida supports major apps too, but it's still limited, especially if you're outside popular regions like the US or Europe. On voice control, Google TV uses Google Assistant, allowing deep control over your smart home and TV. Vida has its own voice system, but it's less powerful and less accurate, especially with complex commands. When it comes to performance and speed, newer Google TVs run smooth with better processors. Vida is improving but can feel a bit slower, especially on budget models. And lastly, price and availability. Vida TVs like Hisense models are often cheaper, making them attractive for budget buyers. Google TV models range from mid to premium, offering a more features but a higher cost. So, to answer the question, which is better? In 2025, Google TV remains the top choice if you want smarter, faster, and more flexible experience. But if you're after something simple and affordable, Vida is still a solid pick. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.